The construction of roads has been happening since the time of the Roman Empire. Asphalt roads have been built since the late 1800s, and concrete roads since the early 1900s. Huge industrial machines with advanced technology are used these days to construct roads efficiently and accurately. Soil compactors, graders, and huge paving machines are just a few of the vehicles you'll see. So sit back and relax as you watch 10 amazing road construction machines. Super 3000. This highway-class asphalt paver is produced by Vogle in Germany. It's specifically designed for large road construction projects like highways and runways. It measures 23 feet in length and weighs 32 tons. Its engine produces 400 horsepower, and it can pave at a rate of 1,600 tons per hour. This incredible machine can lay down asphalt at a maximum width of 52 feet. By spreading and compacting the asphalt evenly, it completes the road in a single pass. Cat 24M. The Cat 24M is a large and powerful grader, and it's made in the United States. It's used to level the ground before layers of gravel can be thrown down and compacted. Its huge blade scrapes the ground, leaving behind a flat surface. The massive blade is 24 feet wide and can cut to a depth of 21 inches. The Cat 24 weighs 73 tons, which is extremely heavy. As you can imagine, a vehicle of this size needs a lot of power to scrape the ground with its blade, and so it's powered by a 535 horsepower engine. Top speed is 26 miles per hour. Not the quickest vehicle around. Let us know in the comments if you've been stuck behind one while driving. If you're enjoying this video, you should check out the rest of our channel. We've got videos about cars, trucks, boats, planes, and helicopters. If it's amazing, we'll show it on our channel. SD115B. This is a soil compactor that's manufactured in Germany. This vehicle uses a heavy roller to compact the gravel, leaving behind a firm, flat surface to lay the road. The roller can be easily changed from a smooth, even surface to a pad foot roller. Smooth rollers are used on gravel, and pad foot rollers are used on wet surfaces, like clay. The machine weighs 11.3 tons and its roller is 7 feet wide by 5 feet in diameter. Traction control helps this compactor navigate difficult inclined roads. $5700D Power Curber. The 5700D is a new generation concrete slipform paver. It's manufactured in the United States and it's used for the efficient construction of curbs, gutters, and road barriers. The vehicle is 20 feet long and weighs 11.2 tons. Power curbers have been in use for the last 65 years, and the 5700D is the newest model available. It can hold up to 1 cubic yard of concrete at a time, and has an impressive turning radius, making it one of the best machines for cul-de-sac work. WR250 Workin. This strange-looking piece of equipment is actually a soil recycling machine. It's designed and made in Germany. The WR250 is used to stabilize the soil in the construction of roads and highways. It uses a mixing rotor to add binding agents like lime or cement to the soil, transforming it into a high-grade building material. This is needed when the existing soil has insufficient bearing capacity. This machine can stabilize 130,000 square feet of soil per day, and it measures 30 feet long and weighs 30 tons. Here's another slipform paver. It's just larger than the previous one. The Commander 3 is also made in the United States and is used for the construction of curbs, gutters, sidewalks, and road barriers. It measures 30 feet long and weighs 13.3 tons. Its large size makes it possible to build sidewalks or bike packs that are 15 feet wide. Change the mold, and the Commander 3 will produce road barriers up to 6 feet in height. Its design makes it possible to build road barriers with minimal traffic disruption. The versatility of this machine has made it the best-selling multi-purpose machine of all time. Condor 700. The Condor 700 is a road painting machine. Once the road has been laid, the final step in the process is to paint the road with the necessary road markings. And if you take a closer look at the footage, you'll notice that there's no driver. Yes, that's right, no driver. This vehicle can work without an operator. It's able to paint both concrete and asphalt roads, and it uses a special thermoplastic and quick-drying enamel paint for the job. Spraying nozzles on both sides of this vehicle can paint line speed to 15 inches wide. There's a 92-gallon tank on board to carry the paint, and it's able to paint roads at a speed of 3 miles per hour. The GP4 Slipform paver. This huge concrete slipform paver is designed for laying paths up to 40 feet wide. It spreads the concrete evenly and lays down a perfect path or road in a single pass. Used on large construction projects, it is able to lay down smooth surface roads such as highways or airport runways. The GP4 has an adjustable frame, so the width of the road can be adjusted depending on the job, and its legs can be positioned out of the way with pivoting arms. The speed at which it works is 20 feet of concrete per minute. P6870D APG. This is a small, compact new generation paver made by Volvo in Sweden. It can be used on highways or city streets, and can lay down asphalt with a width of 30 feet. 700 tons per hour is the throughput of this impressive machine. It measures 21 feet long and weighs 14 tons. Its Volvo D6 joules diesel engine puts out 175 horsepower, and it can reach a top speed of 12 miles per hour. Its hopper has a 13-ton capacity, and a standout feature is its high maneuverability and compactness. MT3000. The MT3000 is an offset power feeder that's manufactured in Germany. It's designed to provide reliable, uninterrupted, and jolt-free mix to the paver. It measures 50 feet long if you include the conveyor belt, and it weighs a total of 25 tons. Its conveyor belt is heated to stop the mix cooling off before reaching the paver. In addition to that, the conveyor belt can pivot 55 degrees, and its control system can keep the conveyor central even on a steep incline. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give us a like and consider subscribing to the channel. We've got tons of videos about amazing things.